Hello and good morning. We are back again with our another class. Today we will study something different. In today's class we will discuss some calculation techniques which will help you in your calculations. If you apply these techniques in your maths questions, then you will save lot of time. These are very interesting. Let's start. The techniques are the subtraction, addition of mixed fractions. As you all are familiar, there are many methods. Starting from the basic method, as first question is you have to add 3 plus 2 1 by 2, means you have to add 3 and 2 and half. So as simple we are adding, we write the 3 same plus, first we convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. As we convert it, 2 multiplied to 4 plus 1 5, we write it 5 by 2, and after this we take the LCM of these numbers. The LCM will be 2, and after this we multiply 3 multiplied to 6 plus 5, it will become 11 by 2, and 11 by 2 we again convert it into mixed fraction. It will completely divide by 5 and the remainder will be 1 by 2. So our answer will be 5 1 by 2. And in today's class we will discuss some new facts that how you save time. As if the one fraction is mixed, means one number is simple and the other is mixed fraction, then how to add? Its simple method is just add the simple numbers, means add 3 by 2, the answer will be 3 plus 2, and multiply the fractions, means multiply 1 by 2 same. You have to add the simple numbers, means 3 plus 2 become 5. 3 plus 2 it will become 5, and 5 1 by 2. So you save your time by using these methods. In the same way we are doing this question. As this question is simple, so we can also do by this method, but there is some more calculation because you have to read the table of 9 up to 8 and then add 7, so it will be some more longer. The calculation will be some more tough, means it's a complex calculation and the chances of mistakes increases in these type of questions. So as we will do, it will become 17 plus, if we multiply 8 by 9, 9 multiply 8 72 plus 7, it will become 79 upon 9, and after this we will have to take again LCM. The LCM will be 9, then we have to multiply 17 by 9, 17 multiplied by 9, it will become 153 plus 79. The calculation is very complex, as again we have to add and divide the number. As if we add 153 and 79, it will become 232, again divided by 9, the answer will be 25 7 by 9. And if we do this question by our simple method, we just add the 17 plus 8, and with this we have to write 7 by 9. 17 plus 8 will become 25 7 by 9. You can see the answer is same, but we saved too much time in this type of techniques. So let's continue with subtraction. As in subtraction we do the same. 3 we subtract minus 5 by 2, that will become 3 to the 6 minus 5 upon 2, the answer will be 1 by 2. There is also a simple technique which save our time. As you have to write 3, subtract 1 from 3, you have to match the denominators of these numbers. As you can write it 2 upon 2 minus 2 1 upon 2. You have to subtract 1 from the greater number, or we can say from the simple number. You have to subtract 1 and make the denominators of both the numbers same, means you have to make both the fractions into mixed fraction. And now we can do this. We subtract the 2 minus 2, there is not multiply, there is plus at every time, so we are adding this as 2 multiply 2 and plus 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. As 2 minus 2 it will become 0 plus the denominators are same, so you can directly subtract 2 minus 1 upon 2. The answer will be 2 minus 1, it will be 1 by 2. Let's practice one more question. 17. To make the denominator same, we have to subtract 1 from 17. We can write 16 9 by 9 and subtract 8 7 by 9. After this we will subtract 16 from 8 plus 9 by 9 minus 7 by 9. 16 minus 8, the answer will be 8 plus, and from this 9 minus 7 we will get 2 upon 9 and our answer will be 8 2 upon 9. If the mixed fraction will be more complex, then it will be more tough to do this by basic method. Now we will study again the same method, we apply the same method. We can write 22 as 21. To make the denominator same, we have to write 17 upon 17 and subtract 7 15 upon 17. You don't write it these steps again and again. You just have to write one step, and after this you have to just subtract 21 minus 7, it will become 14. 17 minus 15, it will become 2, and the denominator will be the same. So the answer will be 14 2 upon 17. Means we can do this question directly into mixed fraction. We don't need to convert into simple fraction, and after this again by dividing we convert into mixed fraction. We can do it directly without converting into simple fraction. As again, let's do the next question. 35, we can write 35 as 34. The denominator is 19, so we have to write 34 19 by 19, subtract 27 13 by 19. 34 minus 27, the answer will be 7, and from 19 if we subtract 13, the answer will be 16 by 19. Starting one more question. 35 minus 23 21 upon 23. As we are giving you question, just pause the video and try it yourself, then you can check it. Let's start the question. We can write 35 as 34. To make the denominator same, we can write 34 23 by 23, subtract 23 by 21 upon 23. From 34 we have to subtract 23. The answer will be 11, and 23 we have to subtract 21. 23 minus 21, the answer will be 2 by 23. Hope you all are getting. Now again start one more question. 45 minus 3 2 upon 19. You have to write 44. To make the denominator same, we can write it as 19 upon 19 minus 3 2 by 19. From 44 we have to subtract 3. The answer will be 41. From 19 if we subtract 2, the answer will be 17 upon 19. In mixed fraction the answer is 41 17 upon 19. One more question. We have to subtract from 50, we have to subtract 41 2 by 19. So we can write 49 19 upon 19, and from this we can subtract 41 2 by 19. 49 minus 41, the answer will be 8. 19 minus 2, the answer will be 17 upon 19. One more question. 65 minus 3, 2 upon 7. How can we do? We can write 64 7 upon 7 minus 3 2 by 7. 64 minus 3, the answer will be 61. 7 minus 2, it will become 5 by 7. Hope you all got our points. If any doubt, keep revise the video. We will do 2 more questions of addition. We have to add 6 plus 5, 2 by 3. The answer will be 6 plus 5, it will become 11 and 2 by 3. 17 plus 6, 3 upon 13. We can add 17 plus 6, it will become 23. And the answer will be 23, 3 by 13. It is the answer in mixed fraction. Now we are giving you some homework questions. 6 questions are for you. 5 plus 7, 4 by 13. 11 plus 17, 6 by 7. 15 minus 11, 2 by 3. 18 minus 12, 5 by 6. 13 minus 2, 3 by 13. 25 minus 21, 8 by 18. Hope you will try these questions. And if you think that these questions are helping you and improving your calculation, then do like, share and subscribe the channel so that these help can reach more and more students. Goodbye and meet you soon.